Thanks again so much for being willing to share your time and your talents judging HOSA's events this year. This tutorial will take you through the process of registering as a judge for the South Dakota HOSA's online judging events. These events must be judged prior to the state conference. The purpose for the pre-judging is to qualify a certain number for round 2, as these events have so many entries. We aren't able to judge all of them in person in a timely manner. These instructions will get you registered to judge, and more information will be sent to you on the process of judging these events virtually. Competitors for these events will have uploaded these events prior to judging. You will be sent instructions on how to access these projects, along with online and fillable rubrics. These scores will carry over to round 2, and both rounds will be tallied to determine placing. So let's get started. First, go to sdhosa.org and choose the Affiliate tab in the upper right corner of the page. This will take you to the HOSA Content Management System, and this login is what we will use for all of our conferences. From here, click on Judges. This will take you to a registration page when you will click Register. Select from the drop-down menu South Dakota 2025 State Leadership Conference and answer No to the next 3 questions. From here, you will create an account. You can use an email for a username along with a password. Please fill out the proper profile information as well. Then you can come down to the Select Competitive Events menu, and you will select the competitive events you have been assigned to judge. Please click all the boxes under your event. The pre-judging window is open from March 16 to March 27. All entries must be judged by March 27. However, the sooner you can get them judged, the easier it is for us to move the event forward. All round 2 judging is in person at the conference on April 10. Once you have checked all the boxes, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Register. Further instructions regarding online pre-judging will be sent at a later date. Thank you so much for spending time helping us out. If you have further questions, please email brock.rops@usd.edu. Thank you for watching this presentation.